reception. Come on. Fuck! Hey. You're still alive, okay? You're still alive.
I walk like that after I made a heavy pounding.
Yeah, we're just in a little discomfort, that's all. Nothing a few painkillers can't cure.
Oh, I know all about discomfort, sweetie. You try working this joint with these god-awful corns I got growing on my toes. Take your order?
Let's just make that 2 coffees, please.
2 it is. I will come back for your orders. And a fork you can eat with.
Thank you. He's back.